Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your school email address and forward it to your regular email address at home, and then change your profile in Moodle to put in your new school email address. So on our search engine, we're going to put in Gmail. And then we're going to go ahead and tell it that we want to sign in. So you've been given what your address, your name is, and it's your first name period last name at dmtc.edu. I'm doing a test student, so this is test.student at dmtc.edu. And your password is DMTC1234. And click on sign in. Oh, that was fun. Let's pause it. Let's go ahead and try to capitalize it. DMTC1234. Okay, so it needs to be capital DMTC1234. There's a bunch of stuff about the license, and then here you'll get some kind of a capture, so you have to type that in. And accept the account. So my current password, capital DMTC1234. New password, put in whatever you want. And submit it. At that point, it should go out and see if you've got any mail. So the next thing we want to do is set it up so it forwards it to our home email. So you're going to click here on the Settings tab. Go into Settings. So up at the top at Settings is Forwarding and Pop IMAP. So we're going to add a forwarding address. Click on Next, and it's going to send an email to that address. So I'm going to go open my mail. So in my mailbox there is a confirmation email, and it says Test Student DMTC has requested to automatically forward your mail to this, and there's a confirmation code. So you can decide if that's what you want to do. So it says click on the link below in order to confirm this. And it says congratulations. So now the next thing that we want to do is we want to send an email to your DMTC email address to make sure that everything's working. So looking at my settings, I notice it says disable forwarding. So I want to click on forward a copy and keep it. And then we're going to save changes. So now we're going to go into our regular mail and send an email message and test it out to make sure that everything's working. So this is, I use Thunderbird, doesn't matter. So I'm going to send a message to teststudent@dmtc.edu and forwarding my mail. I am testing, forwarding my mail, and go ahead and send it. I can see there's a message in here, forwarding my mail. This is my student at DMTC. But I also got a message here in my CherylWill@gmail account, forwarding my mail. So it's working. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go change my email address inside Moodle in my profiles so that anything that my teachers are sending it from Moodle will go through my dmtc.edu email and then to my home email address. Go ahead and go over to Moodle and log in as you normally would. And you're going to go edit your profile settings. So click on My Profile Settings, Edit Profile, and you'll see in there there's an email address. So I am going to change that to teststudent@dmtc.edu and update your profile. So there's a message to send an email address to the new email. So I'll notice here that I got a message, confirmation of email update. I also got a confirmation of email update in my regular mail. So I can tell that this is all working. And here for this confirmation, you can click on here and it will confirm that your email address has been changed. And everything should work out fine. I'm just checking my profile, and yes, it has my new address in there. So that is how you set up your new school email. I think the thing that caught us is that the password when you first set it up is a capital DMTC, not a lowercase DMTC 1234. Thanks.